Welcome to Developmental Mathematics. This video is to give you some information about getting started in the course. You have enrolled in a co-requisite course, which means you're taking two courses at the same time. You are enrolled in BASM 0053 and DMAT 0305. Your BASM grade is based solely on what you do in your DMAT 0305 class. There's no extra work required for the BASM class. Officially, the courses start next week. I want to give you some pointers on some things you might want to do before the first day of class. First, visit your eCampus for the DMAT 0305 course. Print out the syllabus and read it carefully. There's very important information in there that you'll need for the course. Next, log into your ALEKS and you can find instructions for that in eCampus. Under the Lessons and Assignments tab, then Getting Started in ALEKS. Third, go through the tutorials in ALEKS and take your initial knowledge check. The initial knowledge check will give ALEKS the information that it needs to give you credit for the topics that you already know. You should allow yourself at least 1 hour to take the initial knowledge check. Be sure to do your best and not to use any outside help. Outside help includes things like websites or people. If you complete all of that before the first day of class, you are off to a great start. As we continue to go through the semester, you will become more and more familiar with ALEKS and how it works. Attached, I have included a link to a short video on how you navigate in ALEKS. If you have any questions, be sure to email me at rvinson@dallascollege.edu, and I look forward to working with you this semester. Enjoy your course.